Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials. You're logged into FC Mobile, the target player is selected, and training transfer points are visible. Once done, open the player's training transfer menu and choose the attribute cluster you want to move. You do this first because it locks the options you can transfer and prevents wasting points. Make sure to note current chemistry and squad role, since those affect how those transferred stats will perform in matches. This avoids surprises later. Now focus on execution. Pick the source player from whom you'll take stats and select the exact attribute or cluster. You'll see a preview that explains how those stats change numerically. Use it, because it shows the net gain and cost. Once you confirm the training transfer points cost, approve the operation. The game will prompt a final confirmation. After applying, observe the animated stat update to verify the values landed where expected, and then return to your squad view to confirm chemistry. To finish, verify the transferred stats in your active formation and run a quick exhibition match or simulation to feel the change. If the numbers don't match the preview, reopen the player page and check the transfer history. This reveals whether the points applied correctly. Make sure to save or back out properly. If something fails, avoid force closing the app and instead let the game finish syncing, then contact support with screenshots. That single troubleshooting step resolves most incomplete transfer issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.